The womb is like this divine, feminine energy that's within us, that is us. She's nurturing, she's beautiful, she's expansive, yet she's grounded. And she's rooted into the universe herself. And this is who we are. The womb is us. And when we learn and we remember this connection, we remember who we are. And this is why this journey is such a beautiful journey that we're about to go through together. I really want you to feel into this energy, to remember this energy, because the type of confidence that we're going to get from reconnecting back to our womb is that type of confidence that is unshakable. It's a type of confidence that nobody can take from you. It's a type of deep confidence that you can always tap back into whenever you need it. And that is what we carry within us.